Hey everybody, Marion the Barbarian here. We have got a fun shave for you today. I'm excited, I'm apprehensive. Let's just start with the soap. We'll just get down to the soap. This is the Hairy Wong from Matti. It is basil, peppermint, lemon, and orange. It's very peppermint forward off the tub. Then you kind of smell the basil come through, and then I smell the orange, like a little bit of bitter from the orange peel. And it's a pretty good scent, actually. I do enjoy it, so we lathered it up. Got a little impatient, added a little too much water. Arm's a little sore from beating it so hard. So, pretty good looking lather. I mean, there's some bubbles in there, but like I said, I've been beating it for forever just to get the bubbles out because I went the wrong way with it. So guys, here we go. This is what I'm apprehensive about. And excited. This is my Koraat 14 2.0. I believe this is a full inch. Blade, extra hollow, with a double belly grind and a heavy beard grind. So it's like extra hollow, and then when you come back down to here, it comes back out just a little. It is one sweet razor. Now, the progression that he uses at Koraat Knives that I've been told, and this is why I'm apprehensive. He goes from a 600 diamond plate where he sets the bevel, and then he goes to a 10K and he polishes it out. And that's it. No other progression. I'm a novice at honing, but from what I've heard, I've been told and what I understand, that is not what you want to do. You'll never remove all the scratches from that 600 diamond plate with a 10K. And the scratches are what's going to make it feel toothy and harsh. So I've had enough toothy edges lately because I've been honing my own razors. And yeah, guys, as you can tell, we're going to leave the goatee this time. Really worked out nice. I like the peppermint and the orange. That's what's really hanging around, and the basil's coming through too. Lathered up. I'd say the basil a little more prominent once it's lathered. All right, let's get to it. I do have a backup razor just in case. Here, let's take the glasses off and just swipe the sideburns real quick. Oh, it's not too bad. It's better than my edge, so guess what? So far. That's a good thing. Although that's a very, very, very low bar. All right, glasses back on. Everybody asks, what do you wipe with? I tell people, I wipe with the Lancaster, don't have issues. So. Honestly, I've had worse edges. A little disappointing that this feels as good as it does in comparison to my edge, which I take through a lot more progression. Working on keeping that upward angle a little bit more shallow. Ooh. Shaving cream on the thumb, don't want to get that in the tang. Huh. I let this lather dry out a little on me, guys. Talking it through. Set the razor down. Add little tips to the little water to the tips of the brush. A little bit of hydration so we don't go through what I went through a second ago. Oh, CDB's like, try it, you may like it, you may like it. Yeah, you're right. It's not that I like it, it's just not as bad as I was worried it was going to be. I've seen what this looks like under a slide. Not this exact one, but what this progression does on this style razor. I know someone else that bought it. So. Nice. Very happy with that. So yeah, I was all worried for nothing. Being a bit of a pussy. There we go. Trying to figure out going a little wider on the out and leave a little bit of slickness. We're going to try to see and set these lines just a little bit better. We're just going to say that's it, guys. What do y'all think? Ooh, got some hair. Nice. Try this one more time. I'm going to stop the camera. We're going to rinse and we'll be right back. And we're back. Craving shaving brush with the Craving knot. Synthetic blue, glow in the dark faux burl. So, Matti Lindholm. Very wicked looking razor that I had been apprehensive about and worked out just fine. Isn't that a beauty, guys? I mean, it's beautiful to me. See? I really like the looks of it. When we're done, we're gonna go strop it, set it on the dresser, open still for overnight. It's like how I like to do it. Guys, it's not in the picture, wasn't gonna use it, but top broke on me. Epic Peppermint, this shit, it freezes my face off and there's no menthol. I think I have sensitivity to menthol because this is colder than any menthol soap I've ever used. And you menthol splash, it just gets ice cold and colder and colder and colder. So I don't know if it's the peppermint oil that I'm sensitive to or what. But whew, it's getting cold. Really cold. And we're going to follow it up with some Moon Soaps Havana. I'll try to put links below for everything. 2 squirts. Oh yeah. Havana probably doesn't mix well with it. Oh, I don't know. Kind of smells good to me. But it was a matchy-match label. And honestly, until the Matti soaps came in, Havana was on deck. Matti soaps came in and we switched out the soap. So, been wanting to use some moon soaps. Haven't used it in a while. Oh, we got a decent shave. Probably could have cleaned up the neck a little bit more. Actually, since you are here, there we go. Use some of that Balm slickness. All right, guys. Thank you very much for coming to the show. And I will see you some other time. Hope you had a good one. Have a great week, guys.